Hi, it's Miss Chalone, and I'm here for another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a three-part round along with a cup routine to the song I Love the Mountains. And after I do it through once, I'm going to go ahead and show you that cup routine so you can do it at home with me as well. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the mountains, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, I love the lights and hills, I love the mountains, I love the lights and hills, I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the mountains, I love the lights and hills, I love the fireside, I love the lights and hills, I love the fireside, I love the lights and hills, boom de boom de boom de boom de boom. So now we're going to learn the cup part to I Love the Mountains. So first I'm just going to do it through and then I'll teach it to you. All right? I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada. So, start with the cup upside down, and we first start, I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low, boom, de-ada, boom, de-ada, boom, de-ada, boom, de-ada. Pat, grab, hit the table, switch, pat, down. Hit, grab, hit your hand, hit the bottom of the table, switch to the other hand, pat down, down. Boom, de-ada, 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 boom, de-ada. So, now we're going to put it all together. Are you ready? I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada. I love the mountains, I love the rolling hills, I love the flowers, I love the daffodils, I love the fireside, when all the lights are low, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom de-yada, boom. All right, so there you have it. I Love the Mountains in a round by itself and with a cup. So, hope you're having a good time and you put a little music into your day. Thanks for being here.